Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we talk about the Helmet Head Sidekick subscriber Peak District adventure. Cue the intro. Well, do you know what? We are just over 2 weeks away now from the big subscriber Peak District meet, and I just cannot, I'm lost for words about the excitement that I'm feeling about how cool that this is. I mean, it is proper humbling as a video curator to have so many people that are coming along to this. I mean, we've got people currently that are trying to get motorcycles fixed to be able to come on this this adventure. There's people that have featured on this before that are coming, and do you know what? It's going to be an absolute blast, and I cannot wait. And to meet the people that have been following this channel for so long, supporting this channel for so long, and get as excited as I do about the adventures this channel does, it's really overwhelming. Me and the Sidekick are both extremely excited to meet as many people that can possibly make it. I'm hoping for great sunny weather. I'm hoping that it's going to be an absolutely awesome adventure. Even if it's raining, of course, I will be there. Don't worry. It will not stop me if I'm in rain gear, and we'll make it a giggle either way. So I just quickly, probably for the last time now before this adventure actually happens, just go through what we're doing for the day again as well. Now, of course, I've said this already. We are going to be arriving on May the 28th. That is the Friday, and for me and the Sidekick, we'll arrive when we arrive, probably early evening, late afternoon, and our plan of it is to settle down, go down to the bar and enjoy a few drinks. Now this, again, the whole thing is open. If anybody wants to come down to the bar we're staying in, the pub, the details, I will put down a link down to where we're staying down in the description. You are more than welcome to come along, share a few beers, a few stories, and have a giggle. Now we will go to bed probably at a reasonable time, because there's a big day. The Saturday the 29th of May is going to be an absolutely big day, because my plan is to be up and ready by 9 AM. I know 9 AM it's early, but there's a big day and a lot to get done in that day. So I'm going to be down with my bike at about 9 AM in the morning. That gives us pretty much half an hour of grace time, because we'll be setting off at 9:30, where we're going to be filming the big leaving scene, the one that's going to really mark the event of this going on. Don't worry, we have brute. You will be sprayed, you will be safe, because of course once we're on this adventure you'll become the most sexiest person in the entire world. Now again, I will be bringing the monkey bike. I am currently working on the monkey bike, just giving it a maintenance check over, doing a few things, changing the chain, filling it up with oil to make sure it's tip top and ready to go. So we will be there on the monkey bike, and obviously the Sidekick on the Top Gun Vespa. So it's just going to be cool. So we're going to set off from there. Now, as we all know, the route is a route that is downloadable. I haven't made this up myself, haven't put waypoints and done all that stuff. I have done the route before, and it is an absolutely spectacular route, and it makes life really easy. So you can download that. That is the Peak District sort of trip that you can find on TomTom. I will put a link down again with that in the description. Everything you need will be down in the description. If you own a TomTom, and it could be 450 and above, I'm not sure, but mine's a TomTom 550, you can download that route straight onto there. Bada boom, bada bing, you're good to go. The day we set off, all I will be doing was joining the route at the nearest point, and we'll be heading around. The route is around 114 miles long, and do you know what? It's going to be a chilled out, lots of stopping day, and that's why I said about setting off the time that we're setting off, because I want to be able to stop along the route and do lots of filming, get the drone up, get the cinematic footage. Now of course it wouldn't be a Helmet Head adventure if we didn't have smoke. There is going to be smoke pouring out the back of my bike, and we will capture all of that stuff on camera. And then there's also a little game, a little challenge between me and the Sidekick again as well, that we're all going to get to enjoy and watch. So that is pretty much going to be that day. We're going to go around that route, and even if it's terrible weather, we are going to be there. We're going to go around that route, and we're going to have an absolute giggle and a laugh, and hopefully catch us some awesome footage to make one of the real sort of golden Helmet Head adventure kind of videos that we're going to be putting off. I don't know how many parts the series is going to be yet. It depends on the filming. And then I want to take the time to get to speak to as many people during this as we can, almost like little mini interviews as we're going throughout the day, to capture different people's personalities and get them, of course, in the video. But do you know what? I keep saying it, you guys coming to this means the absolute world to me. At the end of the day, I really did do this to try and give everybody a bit of a smile, and during the lockdown, to boost everybody sort of up by saying, oh, there's something to look forward to. and the amount that we've received, it's been overwhelming. And anyway, back to the route. So we're going to do that route. We're going to do around about 114 miles, give or take, depending on weather and stuff like this. And then we're going to head back to exactly the same place we started from, the actual bar and the inn that we're staying in. And again, we're going to enjoy some beers, a little bit of food there, and spend the evening chilling, having a laugh, having a giggle. And again, everybody is more than welcome. I'm looking forward to sharing a few beers with people and chatting about the day and having a laugh. And then, like I said, for us, when we go to bed, that is really it for our adventure. We're going to wake up Sunday morning. I'm going to go down and grab some breakfast, and I'm going to jump on my bike and head home. So the whole thing about this trip is for me, it is a humbling experience to say thank you to so many people that support this channel. I cannot wait to hopefully create one of the best helmet head adventures that I've ever done with so many people that support this channel. Well, I am looking massively excited to this. The Sidekick's looking forward to it. We will adhere to all the rules without a shadow of a doubt, and if we have to split into a couple of different groups and stuff like that, then that's what we have to do. But either way, it's going to be an absolute blast. It's going to be a crazy winging it helmet head adventure. So I just want to say, if you haven't subscribed and you want to come along to this trip, hit that subscribe button, turn up to this trip. It's open doors. It's going to be a blast. It is going to be a giggle. I want to say a massive thank you to my patrons, people like Hornet CB2000, gallivanting every single month, gives their hard-earned money to help this channel grow and be able to do the projects and the things that we do. Without your support, we wouldn't be able to bring as many videos to you as quickly as we do. So if you're interested in supporting that channel, there is a link for that Patreon down below. I do massively appreciate it. If you're interested in buying the helmet head merchandise, having a t-shirt to come on the adventure, buy a mug to get it signed, a t-shirt to get it signed, then please check out the shop. But do you know what? I cannot wait to meet all you guys. So of course, there's only really 3 last things to say. The most gospel, you know, the most important thing in life, and that is eat pie, ride motorcycles, and be happy. I will see you in the next bonkers helmet head adventure. Bye bye for now.